as the peach went over her. "Oh, what a lovely bump that must have been for you, Miss Spider." "It was very satisfactory," Miss Spider answered. "Will you sing us a song about it, please?" So the centipede did. Now, I'm not going to sing the song, but I'll say the words. It's a bit of a funny song. Aunt Sponge was terrifically fat and tremendously flabby at that. Her tummy and waist were as soggy as paste. It was worse on the place where she sat. So she said, "I must make myself flat. I must make myself sleek as a cat. I shall do without dinner to make myself thinner." But along came the peach, oh, the beautiful peach, and made her far thinner than that. "That was very nice," Miss Spider said. "Now sing one about Unspiker." "With pleasure," the centipede answered, grinning. Now you can see Archie's being very naughty this morning. He is wanting attention and he's actually sitting on the couch and he's not allowed to be. So I'm not sure what's going on.